The Intermedia Unite desktop application is an essential communication and collaboration tool designed to keep you connected with your team and your customers from a single application. With the Unite desktop app, you'll be able to use your desktop application to place and receive calls in two ways, either as a call controller for your associated desk phone or as a soft phone from your PC or Mac. Once in a call, you can access all the advanced call control features like transfer, park, or call flip right from the application. Start an individual or team chat with anyone in your corporate directory. Send text messages, view coworker availability, place direct calls, access voicemails, and more. All Unite conversations sync across your devices, so you stay connected and continue conversations, no matter where you are. Create new contacts directly within the desktop app. All contacts will automatically sync across devices. Host video conferences and video calls for more productive meetings with coworkers and clients alike. Meeting participants can use their camera, share their screens, capture meeting notes, and more. Quickly access, manage, and share your files safely and securely without leaving the Unite desktop app. Connect Intermedia Unite to your favorite third-party business applications to place calls, view screen pops on incoming calls, and more. The Unite desktop app brings together all your business communications, including phone, chat and text conversations, availability, placing and receiving calls, sharing screens, files, plus video conferencing and more into a single application. The Unite desktop app provides you with the freedom and flexibility to work the way you want, making teamwork easier than ever.